Guys, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. At samahan nyo ulit akong mag-unbox ng ating bagong gitara na dumating ngayon lang. So, day off po natin ngayon. So, samahan nyo po ako. So, April 9, Tuesday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, come on, let's check this out. Yung bagong labas na Epiphone. Sa bagong gitara. Katibol Vlogs. Bagong dating lang. Yeah, okay. Ito yung leather case nya. So, all good. Wow! Red Sunburst. My dream guitar. Mga Katibol Vlogs. Ito ang dream guitar ko mula pa noon. Pati ng nasira kong tatay. This is a limited edition Epiphone Les Paul guitar. So, wow, all good. Looks stunning. Look at those pickups, mga Katibol Vlogs. Ganda. Parang mamahalin. Look at those ebony fretboard. Very good. Mga pickups niya looks stunning, and the dial knobs are all good. So mamaya iti-testing natin kung paano ba yung yung performance nitong okay ba. So that's all mga Katibol Vlogs. Paalam.